Okay, I figure some people might want to know how penny was made and the circuit. So this is the circuit diagram of penny. The low power LED oscillator, and she works from half a volt to a volt and a half at 30 microamps up to 30 milliamps, and that's the circuit right there. Now, what's unusual about this is this, and these go different directions, and they're made out of this steel twist tie wire, and I don't know why this works as well as it does, and it probably worked just as good if not better with copper coils, but it was fun to take these twist tie coils that I got for $1 each at the dollar store and make this oscillator circuit that works on the low power. And this is how the LEDs hook up here. They're just a couple of LEDs in parallel coming off of the collector of the transistor and the flyback. And this is how the Joule Thief and the Bedini circuits work like this too. But it's this arrangement here that's kind of unique in that the way I'm using steel wire with no core. These are air core coils, and they're hooked up in this blocking oscillator fashion with a timing capacitor, resistor, 1 megohm pot with a 100 ohm resistor on the base, and then this capacitor here is 100 microfarad. And for this to work the way it does, you really have to have this set up like this, and it's in a very limited power range. It's very low voltage. You exceed that, you're going to burn up your LEDs. The flyback's just going to burn them up. So don't even try to go beyond a volt and a half, a AA battery. But anyway, I'm Lid Motor, and it was the 21st of August 2011 when I built Penny, and there's Penny running away on a capacitor. And this is one of the reasons I built Penny, was to be able to use this thing right here. This is a hybrid capacitor. It's 220 farad, 2.3 volt hybrid capacitor. It's half lithium battery, half hybrid, half supercapacitor. It's a combination of two, and this is the latest thing, and I think our electric cars will end up running with these. I'm going to probably hook it up to a solar cell, put that near a window, and Penny's just going to run. There's the voltage on the cap. I'll come back to that in just a second. You'll see it's maybe changed one number while I've done this. But anyway, that's Penny running right there. You can use bigger coils of this wire too, and I made this up with these huge coils here, and the more wire you get on this, the better it works. So if you find these great big twist tie coils, try using those. But anyway, the question, one of the comments I had was, why use the twist tie? Well, it was fun. It was just something fun to do, and I got it to work, and I got it to work pretty darn good. Let me turn this up a little bit. Remember, this is on 1 volt. And there goes Penny at full brightness right there. I'll turn her down a little bit. But anyway, that's going to make a nice little night light. You can see my numbers finally changing, 1 digit there. Finally. But that particular thing right there, John and I went together and got a bunch of these and are fiddling around with them. But that's half battery, half capacitor, and having a lot of fun with that. And that was one of the motivations for building Penny. So anyway, that's the latest. Hope you enjoyed this little project. If you build one of these, let me know. Post a video or just a comment. Thanks a lot.